Mutumiria Nturutu Paul MCKENZIE amwe na athuganirwa bangi ni bakinyite mbere ya koti ya Mombasa ntuku ya narua bakioneka kuthirirwa ni inya nyuma ya kiria gikwirikana ni ntuku ithatu cia guchiata bya KUREA na KUREA barentere cha RUMANDE. MUGAMBITHANIA Alex Thuku na athite 90 na bana baba gukinyithua CIBITARI kenda kugwata utungata kuma kiria ataramu ba mirire.
I saw the accused persons this morning in our basement cells. Some can barely stand or open their eyes. As a matter of urgency, I order that they be escorted to a medical facility where they will be examined and their health needs attended to. 4. We mentioned this matter on 5th of March 2024 when the reports above will be filed or will have been filed and a ruling date will be given. The accused person's attendance is hereby dispensed with, cancelled to appear virtually. Those are orders, and I want to thank everyone.